So what we're looking at here is a floor rotation for Tiny Tots 1 and Tiny Tots 2. We have 8 skills set up in here. We want there to always be about 8 skills, so that way there's enough stations for each of the parents and children to start at. The way it's going to work is this is our beam rotation this week. When it's beam week, we're not going to have the bar in the station, and we're not going to have the P-bars, just the balance beam. They'll have a springboard to a panel mat right here, and then where the letter is, it'll be stretch jump for the Tiny Tots 1 and then half turns for the Tiny Tots 2. The balance beam will be a floor beam. It's not going to be a high beam. It'll have to be on the floor. They'll salute, walk down the balance beam, crawl down the balance beam. We've got cartwheels over here. They'll do their hands down, jump side to side. We want to make sure one thing that we want to do from now on is have the coaches on the outside like we always do. We want to encourage the parents to be in the middle, so that way they're not outside the circuit and bumping into other classes. The front roll is going to be right here. It doesn't have to be set up exactly like this, but front roll for the Tiny Tots 2, log rolls for the Tiny Tots 1. Handstand over here. We want one trap block, long ways, so they can lay down. Tiny Tots 1 will lay on their tummies, whole body on the block, hands down. Tiny Tots 2 will be toes on the block. Right here, balance on one foot, balance on the other foot for Tiny Tots 2, and then a climbing station. Climbing station doesn't have to look just like this. We just want it to be something fun that they can climb up, crawl over, and then go down to the other side, and then that completes the circuit.